Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can add bots to Discord. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of browser on your laptop or PC and search for the bot you want to add to your Discord server. In my case, it is going to be the Me6 bot. Then open the bot website and select the Add Bot button. Authorize the bot, select your server. Then again authorize the bot into your server. Now open the Discord app. Here open the server and you can see that the bot has been added successfully. And that's how you can add bots to Discord. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.